All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. This prevents spots, shines and protects your dishes, and also assists with drying your dishes. If you don't have Rinse Aid, what are you even doing, bro? So the Rinse Aid actually helps get the soap scum that can accumulate on the dishes off, as well as it helps your dishes dry a lot faster or more efficient because it reduces the surface tension of water droplets that remain on the dishes. All right, so if you want clearer dishes, if you want drier dishes, if you want dishes that shine and protects, you're gonna use Rinse Aid. I'm gonna show you how to use Finish Rinse Aid. So with Finish Rinse Aid, usually, or when you get it, there's a safety seal on it. So you're gonna have to take the top off and remove it, which I already did that, so I'm not going to be able to remove the safety seal. But once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and close it or open it, right? You're gonna open up the top right here. And you're gonna have to actually apply it with inside of the Rinse Aid compartment. Now on this particular dishwasher, I have a Bosch dishwasher. The Rinse Aid compartment is right here next to the detergent drawer. Now, the Rinse Aid on your particular dishwasher could be a little bit different. I've seen some where it has a screw top. A lot of them have this flip top where you just simply take this lever right here, pull it back, and you're able to apply Rinse Aid in there. Now, if you look closely, you'll see in here that it has a max level in there. You don't want it to go above the max right there, so it's showing right there. Now, when it comes to adding Rinse Aid inside of your dishwasher, it can be tricky. I've noticed a lot of American brands, such as Finish, actually have it to where it opens up like this, and when you're trying to add Rinse Aid, it spills everywhere. But some people, they do either go ahead and take off the top like this, and then they pour the Rinse Aid inside of it very carefully. I am not that talented. So I put the top on like this, and then I open it. And then what I do is I simply put my finger over that top right here, and then place it right near where you're supposed to add the Rinse Aid in. So I put a little bit right there, and just take my finger off and slowly allow the Rinse Aid to go into the compartment. Now, if you add it too fast, it will flood. So, all right, I added some in there and waited for it to go down. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more to it. All right, there you go, just like that. All right, so it's below the max line, and once you have that, go ahead and close it like that. And any Rinse Aid that is around it, just take a cloth and just wipe it up or wipe it down, Boosie, like, okay, so like that. All right, so once you have that, you have added the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid to your compartment. Now, with that being said, some dishwasher actually have a leveler or a dispenser adjustment right here where you can adjust how much Rinse Aid is dispensed inside of the dishwasher when the time is needed. Now, sometimes you might need a little bit more if you have a lot of dishes in there, or depending on how hard or soft the water is, you might have to add more or less dishwasher Rinse Aid. And that being said, because when you have a certain type of water that actually has a lot of calcium in there, you might get dishes that build up a lot of calcium on here, and you might need a little bit more Rinse Aid to get rid of it. Or if your dishes are not drying enough, or they're not completely dry when they're done, the dishwasher's done, it could be that you're out of dishwasher Rinse Aid inside of your dishwasher, or you just have the adjustment so low that it's not dispensing enough. So you probably need to read your owner's manual so you know how to adjust the amount of dishwasher Rinse Aid that needs to be dispensed. So in this particular one, the actual controls for how it's dispensed is within the controls, so you have to go inside of the controls to do it. It's electronic. But that is how you add Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid inside of a dishwasher. This is how you use it. There are a lot of instructions and cautions on the back of the bottle that you must read before using this product, okay? I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.